Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Kluger, stock reference number 4990. This shape runs from the 5th month 2007 through to the 2nd month 2014. There's a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with door bolts, brackets, loom, and module. Right front door appears to have no damage, as does the right guard. Right tail door mirror and right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, less lid, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, reverse camera display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, extension type, right hand sun visor, extension type, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.